Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to log into Diksha app. So whenever you sign up on Diksha app, it signs you in as a guest user. To avail all benefits of the app, you will have to sign up. For that, I'm going to go into the profile tab, which is on the bottom right corner. Over here, you can see that currently you're a guest and the role of a teacher. Now to get unlimited access to Diksha, you will have to log in. So I'm simply going to click login. When I click login, I'm directed to this page. Over here, if I have a login ID and password, I'm simply going to put that in and log in. Or I can use a login with the state system. If you are a government teacher, you can log in with that. Or if you are going to log in with Google, you can just click the login with Google. Or if you don't have an account, you can register here. So I'm just going to show you how to register. So I've clicked register here and it's going to ask me my location. And these are the few mandatory fields it's going to ask me. I'm going to put in my full name, my email address, my password, which I'm going to remember, and I'm going to reconfirm my password. Click agree and simply register. Now since I already have an account on Diksha, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to sign in with Google. Once I signed in from Google, it's going to ask me to select my board. I'm going to choose Maharashtra, English, and classes 8, 9, 10. Now I have access to all of the content that is on this app. Let's look at the training tab. Let me show you how to open any training now. I'll simply open a training. It gives me details of the training module. So the app may not work if you do not have regular or smooth internet connection. So please ensure that you have a smooth internet connection before logging in. I'm going to try once again and it's loading my training content now. Here it's giving me the details of the training and the training modules. I can simply join training. And once it is completed, the first module, then I can start the training. So this says this batch is available from 25th May. So I can go back and choose a training that's available for me right now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful.